Pregnancy is an incredible journey. It transforms a woman's body and soul. As mothers, we often talk about a deep connection with our babies. This bond begins long before birth. It's a feeling, an intuition that runs much deeper than we ever imagined. Have you ever just something was wrong with your child, even from afar? Microchimerism. It sounds complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Micro means small, and chimerism refers to the presence of cells from another individual. So, fetal maternal microchimerism simply means that a mother carries a small number of cells from her baby within her body. These cells are like tiny seeds sown in the fertile ground of the mother's body. They can embed themselves in various organs and tissues. This includes the heart, lungs, liver, skin, and even the brain. Imagine a baby's cells embarking on a remarkable journey through the mother's body. These cells, known as fetal microchimeric cells, are unique in their ability to traverse the maternal bloodstream. They're not just passive passengers, they actively engage with the mother's body, creating a lasting bond that transcends the physical separation at birth. These tiny travelers, carried by the circulatory system, disperse to various organs and tissues. As they journey through the vast network of veins and arteries, they encounter different environments and adapt to the needs of each organ they visit. This remarkable adaptability allows them to integrate seamlessly into the mother's body. Some cells find their way to the mother's heart, offering a comforting embrace to the very organ that once cradled the developing baby. These cells can contribute to the repair and regeneration of heart tissue, potentially aiding in the recovery from cardiac events. The presence of these cells in the heart is a testament to the enduring connection between mother and child. Others travel to the lungs, integrating into the tissues responsible for the breath of life that the mother shared with her child during pregnancy. In the lungs, these cells may play a role in maintaining respiratory health, helping to repair damage and support lung function. The integration of fetal cells into the lungs highlights the profound impact of pregnancy on a mother's body. Still others reach the liver, the body's tireless purifier, perhaps lending a helping hand to its essential functions. The liver, responsible for detoxifying the blood and producing vital proteins, may benefit from the presence of these adaptable cells. By integrating into the liver tissue, fetal cells can support the organ's regenerative capabilities and overall health. These fetal cells are remarkably adaptable. They possess the ability to transform and take on the characteristics of the surrounding cells, whether they are in the heart, lungs, liver, or other tissues. This adaptability is a key factor in their ability to integrate and function within the mother's body. They can become integrated into the mother's tissues, taking on the characteristics of the surrounding cells. This process of cellular integration is not just a physical phenomenon, it represents a deep biological connection that persists long after the child is born. The presence of these cells in the mother's body is a reminder of the intimate bond formed during pregnancy. This means that a baby's cells can become part of the mother's heart, lungs, liver, and other organs, functioning as if they were always there. The enduring presence of these cells is a testament to the profound and lasting impact of pregnancy on a mother's body, a biological legacy that continues to influence her health and well-being. The presence of baby cells in a mother's body isn't just a fascinating biological phenomenon, it has a purpose. These cells are not passive bystanders. They actively contribute to the mother's health and well-being, acting as tiny guardians protecting her from within. Studies have shown that fetal cells can help repair damaged tissues in the mother's body. They can even help fight off diseases like cancer. These cells act like miniature first responders, rushing to the site of injury or illness and promoting healing. For instance, in mothers with heart conditions, fetal cells have been found in higher concentrations in damaged heart tissue. Section 5. Healing from within, baby cells as tiny doctors. The healing potential of baby cells is truly remarkable. Researchers are discovering that these cells have the ability to differentiate into various cell types, including those involved in tissue repair and regeneration. Imagine a mother who has suffered a cut or a wound. Fetal cells, like tiny doctors, can migrate to the injured area and transform themselves into skin cells, helping to heal the wound faster and reduce scarring. In the case of autoimmune diseases, where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own tissues, fetal cells have shown promise in modulating the immune response and promoting tolerance. Section 6. The mind-body connection, fetal cells in the brain. Perhaps the most intriguing discovery is the presence of fetal cells in the mother's brain. These cells, which originate from the developing fetus, migrate into the mother's body and can cross the blood-brain barrier, embedding themselves in various regions of the brain. This phenomenon, known as microchimerism, has been a subject of scientific curiosity and research for years. These cells have been found in areas of the brain involved in memory, emotion, and maternal behavior. Studies have shown that fetal cells can integrate into the brain's neural network, potentially influencing the mother's cognitive functions and emotional responses. This integration might help explain the profound changes many women experience during and after pregnancy, including heightened emotional sensitivity and a stronger maternal instinct. This suggests a fascinating link between the physical presence of baby cells and the emotional bond between mother and child. The presence of these cells could be nature's way of ensuring that mothers are more attuned to their baby's needs, fostering a deeper connection and a more responsive caregiving behavior. The emotional bond between mother and child is crucial for the child's development, and these fetal cells might play a significant role in strengthening this bond. Some scientists believe that fetal cells in the brain could play a role in enhancing a mother's nurturing instincts and strengthening her bond with her child. These cells might act as a biological mechanism that promotes maternal behaviors, ensuring that the mother is more protective, caring, and attentive to her baby's needs. This could be particularly important in the early stages of a child's life when they are most vulnerable and dependent on their mother's care. These cells might even influence the mother's mood and emotional well-being, contributing to the feeling of joy and fulfillment that comes with motherhood. The presence of fetal cells in the brain could help stabilize the mother's mood, reducing the risk of postpartum depression and enhancing her overall emotional health. This fascinating interplay between fetal cells and the mother's brain underscores the profound and intricate connection between mother and child, highlighting the remarkable ways in which pregnancy can shape a woman's mind and emotions. Section 7. A two-way street. Benefits for baby's health. The exchange of cells during pregnancy isn't a one-way street. While baby cells offer protection and healing to the mother's cells also provide benefits to the developing baby. During pregnancy, the mother's cells cross the placenta and enter the baby's bloodstream. These maternal cells can help to boost the baby's immune system, protect against infections, and even aid in organ development. Section 8. Beyond the science, a bond that transcends time. The discovery of fetal-maternal microchimerism adds a new dimension to our understanding of the mother-child bond. It provides scientific evidence for what mothers have always instinctively known. The connection between a mother and her child is profound, enduring, and written into the very fabric of their beings. This bond is not limited to the physical realm. It extends to the emotional, mental, and spiritual levels. It's a connection that transcends time and space, a love that knows no bounds. Section 9. Honoring the connection, a call for awareness. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of fetal-maternal microchimerism, we gain a profound appreciation for the intricate dance of life that unfolds during pregnancy and beyond. This phenomenon, where cells from the fetus cross the placenta and integrate into the mother's body, and vice versa, is a testament to the deep biological connection that forms between mother and child. These cells can remain in the mother's body for decades, influencing her health in ways we are only beginning to understand. This discovery calls for a greater awareness of the profound interconnectedness between mothers and their children. It is not just a physical connection, but an emotional and spiritual one as well. The cells exchanged during pregnancy may play a role in the mother's immune system, potentially helping her to heal from injuries and illnesses. This interconnectedness is a reminder of the enduring bond that begins in the womb and continues throughout life. It's a call to honor the sacred journey of pregnancy and childbirth, recognizing it as a transformative experience that shapes the lives of both mother and child. This journey is filled with moments of joy, anticipation, and sometimes challenges, but it is always marked by a deep sense of connection and purpose. By honoring this journey, we acknowledge the strength and resilience of mothers and the incredible process of bringing new life into the world. To cherish the bond between mother and child, a bond that is built on love, trust, and mutual support. This bond is not only crucial for the child's development, but also for the mother's well-being. It is a relationship that evolves over time, growing stronger with each shared experience and moment of connection. Cherishing this bond means being present, attentive, and nurturing, creating a foundation of security and love that will last a lifetime, and to support mothers in their vital role as nurturers of life. This support can come in many forms, from providing emotional and physical care to offering practical assistance and resources. It is essential to create a community that values and uplifts mothers, recognizing the critical role they play in the health and well-being of future generations. By supporting mothers, we ensure that they have the strength and resources they need to thrive and nurture their children. This knowledge empowers us to make informed choices about our health and well-being. Understanding the deep connection between mother and child can guide us in making decisions that support both physical and emotional health. It encourages us to seek out information, ask questions, and advocate for the best possible care for ourselves and our families. Informed choices lead to better outcomes, fostering a healthier and more connected community. It encourages us to embrace a holistic view of motherhood, one that considers the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of this profound journey. This holistic approach recognizes that motherhood is not just about the act of giving birth, but about nurturing and guiding a new life. It involves self-care, mindfulness, and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all aspects of life. By embracing this view, we can create a more supportive and nurturing environment for mothers and their children, recognizing the profound influence that this sacred connection has on the lives of both mother and child. This influence extends beyond the early years of life, shaping the emotional and psychological well-being of both individuals. The bond formed during pregnancy and early childhood lays the foundation for a lifetime of connection, trust, and mutual support. By recognizing and honoring this influence, we can better appreciate the importance of nurturing and supporting this sacred connection.